As the centerpiece of any social area, a stylish sofa often serves as a functional focal point. It's important to balance comfort with aesthetics to get the best possible effect. This post outlines 20 fabulous sofa designs for any style, from Scandinavian chic to industrial minimalism. You'll find sofas for every budget, every interior color scheme, and every type of space, whether you're looking to outfit an open layout living room or a fully equipped home theater. We hope you'll find ideas for your new favorite sofa right here. Stop by the comments section to let us know which one is your top favorite.